Start growing pistachio nuts in midwinter so that the seeds are ready in spring to plant in soil. Buy unsalted pistachios in shells. If the shell is intact, carefully break the hard shell without damaging the inner seed. Soak these seeds in water for 24 hours. Put the sealed seeds in fridge. Pistachio seeds germination needs stratification, that is a cold climate of several days. Check the seeds every 10 days to see if the germination has started. Throw any seed with fungus. Change the paper if mold develops. The seeds will be germinated in 1 to 3 months. Plant the germinated seed in free draining soil, about 1 centimeter deep.